Li-Fi is ready for prime time. Li-Fi isn't some far-off theoretical technology. It's already in motion, just waiting for mass adoption. Apple has been integrating Li-Fi compatibility into iPhones since at least 2016, and there have been recent developments confirming that this transition is not just possible, it's inevitable. iPhones have had Li-Fi code since 2016. Back in 2016, people discovered references to Li-Fi in iOS software, indicating that Apple was already working on integrating light-based wireless communication. This means Apple has been preparing for this shift for nearly a decade. Recent developments show Li-Fi is coming. There have been multiple patents, industry advancements, and even military applications confirming that Li-Fi is a priority for next-gen communication. The only thing standing in its way is the legacy telecom industry clinging to outdated RF-based networks. 90% of time indoors equals no need for microwaves. If most people spend 90% of their time indoors, then why should their phones be constantly transmitting RF microwaves when they could be using Li-Fi instead? It's safer, faster, and more secure. Phones could seamlessly switch between space-based and Li-Fi. Imagine your phone working like this. Outdoors, it connects to a space-based broadband system like Starlink's direct-to-cell. Indoors, it seamlessly switches to Li-Fi, eliminating RF microwave exposure entirely. This kind of hybrid system is already technologically feasible. We just need to remove industry roadblocks that have kept us stuck in the microwave era. Why this change will happen fast. Health risks can't be hidden anymore. The outdated FCC safety guidelines have shielded telecom companies from liability for decades. Once non-thermal effects are officially recognized, lawsuits will explode. Legal pressure will force infrastructure to space. When RF lawsuits start piling up, telecom companies will be forced to move their infrastructure away from neighborhoods, schools, and apartment buildings. The logical solution? Space-based broadband and light-based indoor connectivity. The end of cell towers in backyards and schools. Once Section 704 is repealed, local governments will be able to ban dangerous tower placements near homes, schools, and workplaces. And with updated FCC guidelines, those towers will likely become illegal anyway. What this means for you, prepare for a massive shift. We're about to see a major transformation in wireless communication, and it's going to happen quickly once the legal protections of the telecom industry collapse. The writing is already on the wall. Space-based broadband will replace cell towers. Direct-to-cell technology is already launching. Li-Fi will become the indoor standard. Phones, computers, and smart devices will connect using light, not microwaves. Health-conscious consumers will demand safer tech. Once the truth about RF radiation goes mainstream, people won't tolerate cell towers in their backyards anymore. The future is here. The future is light. Get ready for the shift. Visit RF Safe to learn more.